These are the new exhaust system. What you see on social media, it's not true. Hardly 5 minutes, so it's okay. So this is the Porsche. What the hell, guys? Look. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing great. और भाई आज अपना डे 3 इंडिया के अंदर, डे 2 मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया क्योंकि थोड़ा शॉपिंग वगैरह में बिजी था, आप लोगों को पता ही है। बाकी फिलहाल अभी हम जा रहे हैं अपनी गाड़ी को पिक करने। वो शॉप में खड़ी है, हमने कुछ काम वगैरह करने के लिए दे रखी है। और आपसे मिलवाता हूँ मैं अपने बहुत ही खास बचपन के जिगरी दोस्त मेरा भाई शमीम से। हाँ जी भाई, नाराज है भाई।
Hi guys.
भाई कैमरा शाय है, थोड़ा सा कैमरा शाय है, बट कोई इशू नहीं है, हम आप लोगों को रॉ दिखाएंगे। बाकी शमी ओ भाई ये ना हवाबाजी कर रहा है ब्लॉग के अंदर ही। सही है यार, सही है। बाकी भाई हमको दिखाते हैं, हम गैराज के अंदर आए, गाड़ी को वगैरह को देखते हैं क्या सीन रहेगा। चलो भाई पहुंच गया भाई फटाफट। कार चेक करो भाई आप, ये ना ऊपर भाई कुछ काम वगैरह करवा रहे हैं इसमें, देखते क्या सीन रहेगा, क्या चाहिए चेक कर सकते हो आप। काफ़ी सारी यहाँ पर कार्स हैं। Alright guys, so I'm gonna tell you like what happened. So this was our exhaust in our car, okay? And what happened, like there was some issue in it, like I don't know what happened, so we're gonna just change it right now and we'll see like what's the problem here, okay? So yeah, that's the scene right now. तो भाई गाड़ी में थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है अभी, तो हमने सोचा कि कॉफ़ी वगैरह पीने चले जाते हैं। कितना टाइम कह रहा है ये? हाफ एन आवर। चल कोई नहीं, इतने हम बाहर चल जाते हैं। बट है तो काफ़ी गाड़ी है इसमें, मेनली पोर्श है ना?
मेनली पोर्श।
हाँ चलो देखते हैं कितना।
और ये अपनी गाड़ी
जी गाइस, ये रही। अब देखते हैं, ख़राब करते हैं सही करते हैं। चलो भाई देखते हैं, कर लेगा बैक आराम से। Guys, look at the driving. We're driving on the opposite side of the road. Look, like what the hell, guys? Look. This is the beauty of India, guys. This is the beauty of India. No, bro, easy man, easy. तो भाई कॉफी पीना है बारिस्ता पे। पूरी गाड़ी में लगेगा आधा घंटा 1 घंटा, पता नहीं, है ना भाई? गाइस इसको प्यार दो थोड़ा सा कमेंट में ना। सही है। ओके लेट्स गो फॉर सम कॉफी। हाँ कुछ नहीं, मैं लूँगा एज माई फेवरेट आइस matcha latte with oat milk. या सही है यार। क्या ले रहा है तू?
Without ice.
Okay, guys, you can check the prices as well. It's in INR, okay? सही है यार। पहली बार ले रहा हूँ भाई मैं। Guys, Shamim is saying like let's sit outside in the sun, you know, it's gonna be good. क्या? भाई यही बैठते हैं, सामने से चल रहा है बढ़िया। सो गाइस ऑर्डर आ चुका है अपना, और माचा लाइक ओके दिख रही है मेरे को। आई डोंट नो टेस्ट कैसा होगा। माचा का शेक बना, सही कह रहा है यार। रिकॉर्ड करिए मैं रिएक्शन बताऊंगा ऐसे। आई एम गोना टेल यू माय रिएक्शन, ओके? भैंस को दूध लग रहा हूं। नहीं गाइस, इट्स गुड। Shamim also gonna try matcha, guys. Look, wow, so nice. Not good, yeah?
A bit normal है।
No, it's normal, yeah. True. But anyways, we're gonna enjoy and let's see how it's gonna be, because it's gonna take 1 hour, I guess, for the car, and I don't have much time. It's good, this one. He said this one is good. Nah, I'm good with my matcha. All right, guys. See you. So, guys, I'm gonna show you like how we pay in India. So this is the app of Indian app like Paytm. And we just scan it. It's like very easy. But one more thing I want to tell you as well, like in India we don't have Apple Pay, so you have to like either have like credit card or like normal, you know, like cash and all. Or Paytm is the best thing, you know, to pay here. There's some other app as well, like Phone Pay, something like that. Okay, so if you guys got to think like Apple Pay gonna work, so no, in India it doesn't work like that. But yeah, in evening like they have good seats here, you know, to just chill. But right now it's not a good weather, you know. But now we're going some other place because we just talked to the guy for our car and he said like it's gonna take a bit more time. So we're thinking, okay, let's just hang out in some streets, you know, like some cool places of Delhi. Not the typical streets of India which you see on online, you know, on YouTube, not like that. Okay guys, so let's go. Bro, don't worry, I'm the professional driver here, you know.
I know, I trust you, buddy.
Yeah, because I'm driving since 16, bro, so never mind. So guys, we are almost at the destination. From here only, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the location, guys, where we came. Alright guys, so this was the location. I'm gonna put the location as well for you. If you wanna come, you can check out this place. And yeah, look, you can just chill here. So guys, we're just looking for some shoes and all, but they don't have any, like good collection, to be honest. And what you want, Shamim? Some gel? Yeah, you want some like hair gel and all from Gitanjali right there. Let's see, I hope they have it, yeah? Okay, let's see if they have or no. Which one you want?
Max.
Look, this is basically a hair salon, as you can see.
One piece, yeah.
One piece? It's in high demand, man. It's in high demand. Yeah, look, this is the skyscraper of Gurugram. But trust me, at night it's a different vibe, guys. Look at it, okay? But to be honest, guys, like right now it's not a vibe, you know. But in the evening, it's gonna look good, you know. Like it's gonna be crowded and all, and the vibe is different, you know, in the evening. But yeah, I think we pretty got just these gel only. And right now we will go back for our car. I think that's all from this side, guys. If you wanna come, you can check out this place. You can have coffee as well, like as you can see, and have a good vibe. It's really cool place. So I highly recommend you guys if you are near Delhi, NCR or Delhi, something like that. Okay, see you. Alright guys, so we're going back, and I told Shamim, drive it bro. I don't have any mood to drive because it's too hectic to drive here. Like trust me, like I'm done, you know. It's too much traffic and all like that. Okay, let's exit this place, man. And I highly recommend if you guys come here, please check it out. And let's go back to our car. I hope they're gonna give us.
Look at the beans, bro.
Which one?
Fortune one.
It's a normal stock one, no?
No.
Change है?
Yes.
LC वाला है?
नहीं.
फिर? I don't think so, but it's okay. Okay, let's wear the seatbelt also, guys. It's mandatory. We need to follow the rules and all, okay? Alright guys, so we are back again to the garage, and what the hell, our car is still on the way. Fuck man, let's see. Bro, it's still on the way only. Oh, they are working, but man, I don't know. Almost ready?
Yes.
Okay, it's almost ready. Guys, check out the car. They mainly have Porsche here, I guess. Look. Oh, this fucking M4, really cool. Alright guys, so they just said like it's gonna take hardly 5 minutes, so it's okay. And here is a Grado, Lambo, you know. Oh, a Dodge as well. Import है दुबई से. रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा रखी है यहाँ पर ML नंबर की, और वैसे इम्पोर्टेड है क्योंकि इंडिया में मिलेगी नहीं आपको ऐसी. So this is the Porsche Boxster, and it's like okay, like not too bad, but very down sitting, you know guys, not for typical Indian roads. Alright guys, so गाड़ी अपनी रेडी हो चुकी है और चलते हैं अब. पोर्शा यहाँ पर खड़ी है बना, बट भाई ये जो स्पेक है ना पोर्शा का 911 का, काफ़ी क्रेजी स्पेक है. और अब तो कुछ काम नहीं है ना, चल फिर चलते हैं. कॉफ़ी वगैरह पीएंगे? चल ठीक है, डन. तो गाइस चलते हैं MG रोड, कॉफ़ी वगैरह पीते हैं. और ये तो कैसे नहीं रहता है, मेरे ख्याल से सोइल भी वहीं पर है. So I don't think so he's gonna be there because it take a lot of time, but still we're gonna see. Alright guys, so these are the new exhaust system we install in our car, and these were the like carbon fiber clips, as you can see. Alright, so let's go, yeah. Guys, so we're going back and we just got the car as well, and let's go for some coffee, and then we're gonna go back home as well. So yeah, look. Alright guys, so we just reached to the location and just check it out. Yeah, cool location, no? Alright guys, so we were thinking like just to go to eat something, pizza or what?
Let's check it out.
Alright, let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. So we're going right now in pizzeria or where?
Art Cafe L'Opera.
Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so let's go. All good? Okay, let's go. I don't have it. Alright guys, so we just reached the cafe and this is the menu I'm gonna show you as well so you can just get an idea. I think this is the breakfast option and look. I'll show you quickly. They have all the option like whatever you wanna eat, you know. Lot of stuff, you know. Or some sweets as well, you can see. And yeah, that's all mainly. So we're gonna just order and let's see how it's gonna be. So alright guys, I just got my order and we're waiting for Shamim one, but it's okay. Service is good, yeah. He just got his like chocolate shake, but it was not so good. He just said like make it again please. Alright guys, so my second dish also came and for him nothing yet. Oh poor boy. You know what he's just giving me because I'm a fucking vlogger. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy guys. Alright guys, so we just exit. Like basically I'll tell you, okay. So Shamim didn't get his like chocolate shake, so now he's saying I'm gonna rate them very high, yeah. So you're gonna rate them very nicely.
Rating.
ये तो पूरा फॉर्म मरवा रहे हैं. Okay, leave it. It's okay. Very nice. They're gonna make like a lot of form like worst. Look, guys, what he's rating. No, we're just kidding. All right, guys. So we just had our food and just gonna chill around. What else? I'm not hungry to be honest. What do you wanna eat? So we just came for some chocolates, guys, and here like we all also have like all the chocolates, you know, like milk and all. So yeah, which one is this one? Kunafa? Dubai chocolate, guys. All right, so we're just gonna take some chocolates and then we're gonna go home only, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, look, and it's also like downstairs as well, like all other stuff as well, you know. So we just came downstairs just to show you guys only, yeah. So look how this is look from inside. You got some cookies, biscuit and all, yeah, some chips and all the drinking. So that's how the basic supermarket looks like here, you know. You can get all this stuff, you can see, guys. Yeah, breads and all. Behind it there is like some gaming area as well for kids. I can show you as well if you see, yeah, but none of our business, you know. Alright guys, so we're just going back home and this was from today from our side, but before ending this video I'm going to tell you something like in India we do have good places, guys, like not always the bad scenario, like as you can see it's not too bad, like it's okay, like a good place, but usually like people go like to some, you know, streets and all, they are very dirty and they eat on a bad place. So I'm just going to tell like it's not always like that. What you see on social media, it's not true. Like of course there are some bad places but also very good places as well. So please do check out all the good places in India and not the bad one. And Shamim, do you want to say something?
Like and subscribe.
All right. What a great supporter, man. Okay guys, so see you in the next vlog and bye bye. Thank you so much. All right, so my friend is right there and look at his trust on me. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Crazy, man.